Hello, I'm Rianne and I'm one of the producers for the Mycelium Storytelling Hub, and I'm based in North Paris in Wales. I was inspired to apply for the role after meeting Millie Jackdaw, who's a storyteller based in Aberystwyth, and she was doing an outdoor nature-based storytelling session for another arts organisation that I work for in the area. And just listening to her telling stories and singing songs really got sort of inspired me, and I thought I'd give it a go and apply for the role and see what happened. And I was really lucky in getting the role. My background's mostly in community-based arts and working with visual artists, but I've always had an interest in storytelling, so it's been a really nice opportunity to learn more about the storytelling culture in the area, learn more about the stories that I hear, meet local storytellers, and then put on projects, workshops or events that connect storytellers to the local community, and give local people an opportunity to experience storytelling in the area. So it's been really good, and the Beyond the Border team are really supportive and helpful in funding applications or checking everything's all right. It's a really great team to work with.